Right, so it's our next day. We're it's a bit of a rest day today because the bane's not very well, and then also we're going to be going to Rainforest Cafe tonight and going to Disney Springs. So I was going to go for Dunkin' Donuts breakfast. It's been a long time since we've been since New York, about 5 years ago. So yeah, can't wait for it. Yeah, it's been too long since I last had my Dunkin' Donuts, so I couldn't decide what to get, so I bought loads of stuff. So I just got one sausage, egg and plain bagel, sausage, egg and cheese, and 6 hash browns, another 6 hash browns, stacked some snack and bacon, and an egg and cheese wrap, and 2 coffees. Comes about $30, so it'll be worth it. Look at this, sausage and egg bagel. Egg, cheese and bacon bagel. Banging. There's the sheriff's car. Are you fell already? This area for you there. Have a look in there. Sleeping Beauty picture. Yeah, we're coming back. Swear. Next over there, look, across the bridge. Look at them stairs. Come here. Rainforest Cafe. It's up there. You're gonna go and eat in there now. Ice cream is there as well. wanna look? Have it? In the tree? And all the fruits too. Yeah. Wanna look at the seats, look. Giraffe tail. Not one of them seats.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit on there.
Yeah. I don't think you'll be sitting there though. Yeah, look at that fish.
Stay right, please.
Oh. That one?
Alright. I'm good for you folks. Sir, follow me please.
Yeah, okay. No, no, come on this way. Thundering. Thundering. Lightning. Look at your new drink. Let's see it on the camera.
Do you want to hold it for
Is it a
Dad?
froggy? Look what's at the bottom. When you drank it all, you get a toy at the bottom. What drink have you got? Strawberry daiquiri. The size of that, beastly burger. You got?
Barbecue one.
Barbecue.
Oh my god.
Nice. Thundering. What did you think of it?
It's lovely, lovely. Would highly recommend it.
So, we got quite a bit of the pain, got an ice cream scoop as well, didn't she? It was only 79.
Really nice.
On it, yeah.
Decent sized portions.
Yeah, but it come to no 104 with tips on it. So, just where to exit. Just the exit, this way. What's this? Goofy's candy? There you go, here's the shop she's been banging on about for months. Look, she can't wait to get in there, look. What type was you after? Forky. Oh, castle.
Oh, look at the monorail one.
The castle. Chase the monorail. This one. Sorry.
What do you got?
These like pair of them.
Yeah.
They're different.
Oh.
Like the wedding ones over here. Cool.
I'm going to
Very
get
good.
one of them.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get one of them.
Oh, Dave.
Right, it's got a castle on it as well.
Goes with the colour of our tree as well.
Look at that, Luna, look. Cinderella's glass slipper. For Rose, what Daddy got, Mammy? Look at that Rapunzel for her. That's good to say, isn't it? There's the ride collection, Big Thunder Mountain, Peter Pan's Flight, Mission Space, Cars. Oh my god, Star Wars Trading Post. Sleeping Beauty. Oh, Cinderella.
Two hands.